Alright, you guys. We are here with another BoosCruize review, and this time it is on perfect keto bars. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned to this episode of
BoosCruize. BoosCruize.
No, we're not singing.
BoosCruize
Yet.
reviews. I thought we were doing that.
We're gonna do it.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Alright, you guys. So if you are here, that means you are interested in this BoosCruize reviews, and so it is time officially for. Now we're doing it for BoosCruize, BoosCruize, BoosCruize reviews. In and out. BoosCruize,
The
BoosCruize,
movement, the 90s.
BoosCruize. I know, we need the 90s inside
We'll do
thing.
it. We're going to come up with that.
So, guys, today I am super excited for this particular product because it is from a company that I'm obsessed with. How often am I like, perfect keto, perfect keto,
He's always
perfect
talking
keto.
about it. Before he even had it, he was like, I want to talk. I want to eat this bar. So I hear great things about it, is what you said.
Guys, yes, here's the thing. Here's why I'm so excited about this and bringing this to you guys is because these are literally exactly what it says. It's perfect keto. There are no dirty ingredients in here. There's no questionable ingredients. It's all real food. And there's no guilt in this. This is actually perfect food. And for the longest time, you could only buy larger boxes of one particular flavor, and they're not really sold in stores, so you couldn't just try it. Like, you had to commit to an entire box. But they just came out. This is a brand new product. Yes! Can you tell I'm excited?
He's excited.
I'm excited!
I haven't really had many of their products before.
Haven't,
so.
but now we have, okay, so guys, this is, if you can see that, this is a variety pack. People have been asking them forever to put out a variety pack so that you can try different ones. And finally, they listened, and here it is, and they sent it to us.
And what flavors are they?
Okay, the flavors are, we have almond butter brownie, love a brownie, I love almond butter, chocolate chip cookie dough, and we have cinnamon roll.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes, so we're gonna go bit by bit. This is what the box looks like, and we're going to tell you guys. We're gonna open literally 3 of these bars.
How many bars are in the variety pack?
This is 6 bars.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's 2 of each.
Yes, 2 of each. So we're gonna open it. Literally, I've never had this before. It's a new product, so I'm already liking the box because I like that you can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like if it was like in a store, you can just pick one and it'd be like
So
like
okay.
a display.
So they come like this. We have, first and foremost, we have the chocolate chip cookie dough. Come on. Love it, love it, love it. So quickly, I'm just going to run through this really quick with you guys. This is 230 calories. And if you guys are interested in the ingredients, almond butter, soluble tapioca fiber, grass-fed collagen protein, 100% cacao chocolate chips, cocoa butter, sunflower lecithin, MCT oil, which come on, vanilla extract, natural flavors, MCT oil powder, sea salt, monk fruit extract, and stevia. So there are no artificial sweeteners in any of their products. So super excited about that. And 11 grams of protein. So we have that one. We have here, you look at the,
Okay.
what do you have?
Well, I have the almond butter brownie right here, if you can see that. Almond butter brownie, and let's see what the ingredients are.
By the way, 3 grams of carbs, because that's important when you're doing keto.
Yes.
So this one has 240 calories. It looks like is that 2 grams of carbs.
2 grams of, so it's even better. And this perfect keto bar comes with almond butter, soluble tapioca fiber, cacao butter, grass-fed collagen, protein, organic cacao, almond, sunflower lecithin, organic coconut oil, sea salt, natural flavors, and stevia. So this one does not have the MCT oil.
MCT oil. Okay, so that's a thing. So we have the cinnamon roll. Yes. Now, full disclosure, I have had this one. This is the one that I have purchased before, and I love them. This one has 220 calories, 3 carbs, and the ingredients are almond butter, soluble tapioca fiber, grass-fed collagen protein, cacao butter, organic cashews, MCT oil, sunflower lecithin, cinnamon, natural flavors, MCT oil powder, sea salt, and stevia. It does contain tree nuts, peanuts, eggs, soy, whey, and other things. So if you are addicted, if you're addicted to nuts, that's me. It's the way of life.
And they all have different protein amounts. Well, the almond butter brownie has 10 grams of protein.
And the other two are 11, right?
11, yeah.
So...
And this is the only one that does not have MCT oil. So.
Yes, the only one.
Yeah.
So we're going to open one up and we're going to show you what it looks like. We're going to go one by one and we're going to give you guys a taste test. Now, okay, full disclosure. Now, provided it's hot here in LA, so this does have like a little bit of like residue, but that's also from the MCT oil.
Yes, it's moist.
So,
it's a moist bar.
Yeah, this one is moist because it has MCT oil. But this is how big they are. You can see, but that also lets you know that there's MCT oil in here, which is so important for you if you are on keto.
Yes.
So I'm going to take a little piece. Do you want to take a piece? A little of that?
A little of this? Okay.
Yeah. All right. So right off the bat, there is a texture that is kind of crumbly. It's not like a chewy bar at all. It almost reminds me of like fudge.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
Like a dense fudge, right?
Yeah, dense, but it crumbles. It kind of like melts in your mouth almost.
Yeah, it's kind of crumbly.
Yeah.
So. All right. It tastes like... It's incredibly...
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's
very
sweet. It's cinnamony. Cinnamony, say that.
Cinnamony.
Cinnamony. But it's also like... It's creamy. It's almost like you could...
Like it melts in your mouth. It's creamy. And the flavor... Like different flavors come at you at different times.
And you can at the end the sea salt.
The sea salt, the cinnamon hits. It comes in there. But it's
this
very
would
flavorful.
be so good for like the morning if you didn't have time to get breakfast and you just wanted to get it on the run. This would be the one that I would go to for the morning. And
it's the most breakfasty.
It's the most breakfasty tasting.
Kind of tastes like I had like a cinnamon roll with like syrup.
Yeah, I get that. So if you do like cinnamon rolls, because some people, that's their flavor profile. Like cinnamon is their thing. This is the one that you would go with. Like I said, the cleanest ingredients. That's what I love the most is because, I'll be honest, we are dirty, lazy keto, and meaning that we mainly focus on keeping our carb counts under 20, our net carbs. And how we get there is... it's a winding road. So we do eat like low carb tortillas, or we eat the keto bread and things like that. Some people are totally against those things,
keto,
which is great.
And we've been doing this strictly for 6 months.
Yeah,
since the beginning of the year, and for the first I want to say 5 months, we were like totally straight keto.
It's what works in your lifestyle. But here's the thing: is even though that works in my lifestyle, if I can do something that is delicious, convenient, and affordable, and it actually does have the cleanest ingredients and still tastes good, I'm gonna go for those, and that is this. The thing that I love about this is that I don't feel guilty when I eat them. I'm always like, this is perfect. So, do you want to go chocolate chip cookie, or do you want to go brownie, almond butter brownie? Next.
You mean chocolate chip cookie dough? Chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's do that first.
He's a chocolate chip cookie dough kind of guy. That's like his wheelhouse. Here, you open this one and give us the rundown.
Okay, so this one isn't as moist as the other one, but
you mean it's wet?
That's wet, but
because there's not as much.
It's not as much MCT oil, but it looks like a cookie, just kind of like looks like cookie dough.
It looks like cookie dough.
Actually,
bar.
Yeah, and.
It looks like there's more. I've never seen them.
I don't even see
there's more.
Chips in
I was gonna say there's more chocolate than there is. Like you see, it's more chocolatey than I thought.
Oh yeah,
it's gonna
in the middle.
be.
Yeah, it's way more chocolatier.
Wait, hold it up. Chocolatier than I thought.
Yeah, and so if you guys can see that, yeah, but that's what it looks like.
Same texture.
It kind of looks like a cookie dough, so you can see that.
Into it.
Yeah.
Look at your hands right now, though. Like, show, like
my hands are. I mean, like they're
legit
chocolate all over it. But I don't know if it's because it's so hot in here. Maybe. That's why
it could be. It's so hot now. It's so hot in LA, and we didn't have the air on earlier. But
But it has kind of the same crumbly texture as the previous. Too.
Let me see. I've never tried this. I'm excited. Okay. It's interesting. is it has roughly the same texture,
It has the same texture.
but it's cookie. It's like a cookie. Not a big fan?
Not the biggest fan of this one. It doesn't taste like a cookie like what we had the other day. It doesn't taste like
No.
at all.
No. Okay.
I was kind of expecting that kind of a taste. It tastes
No.
more.
You have to think of it as a meal replacement or as a snack for some, but this is much more clean than what we had before, which is fine. But this is like something that would also fill you up too. Those little cookies.
Yeah,
It's a snack.
It's good. It tastes good, but I went in expecting it to taste like a cookie.
No.
And it doesn't.
It tastes like a cookie dough flavored bar, which is what it is. It doesn't taste like a. Don't open this and think it's gonna taste like Chips Ahoy.
Oh, my hands are messy.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Don't open it thinking it's gonna be Chips Ahoy. Not gonna be Chips Ahoy. But Chips Ahoy also isn't like clean ingredients and doesn't give you 11 grams of protein.
It tastes like a protein bar, I guess.
Yeah.
But better.
But I don't taste
better tasting.
Interesting though, with this particular, like I don't taste it as, because you know, I mean, I'm like a weirdo. I mean, look at me. Like I do like protein bars, so I know some people are very, very, like sensitive to the protein taste. I'm not. I like a protein bar. I am like a connoisseur of protein bars and Quest bars and stuff. This just tastes cleaner than most.
It's different. It doesn't have to chew.
No, this is not chewy. They're
chewy
crumbly.
So
they're crumbly. And they're not overly sweet. Also, like I know that this doesn't taste like candy.
No, it doesn't taste like candy.
If you like super sweet things that are candy-ish, and you are like a sweets person, this would not be your favorite. But if you are a person who doesn't like things that are like sicky sweet, again, this is also all natural sweeteners. It's monk fruit and stevia. This would be more the way to go for you. And if you've been on keto for a long time, you are much more sensitive to sweetness.
The thing can be like have no sugar in it, but you're like, oh my god,
it's so sweet.
Like,
but that's a good thing for people on keto, because you don't want things that are like, this is so gross. Because I've definitely had things that I'm like, what?
Too sweet.
What is this?
Sugar in my mouth.
So this is the almond brownie butter bar, and again, all clean ingredients. This has 10 grams of protein, and I think this has the lowest amount of carbs with 2 carbs for the entire bar. And like I said, they're so filling. Like where did I always take these bars when I first got them? And I would be sitting there jealous when you weren't on keto.
Where? At the gym? No. Where did we go?
Where did we go that you'd be eating?
So long.
I know, since we've had a normal life. Where did we go where you'd always be eating delicious snacks that smelled amazing?
Oh, the movies. We would go to the movies, and I would, when I wasn't doing keto, I would have like popcorn.
What size? What size popcorn?
A large popcorn.
A large.
You know, like the ranch seasoning that goes on top. We would bring our own and take it. You guys went along with us, our followers. Yeah. So yeah, those were the days.
Yeah, and he would eat that, and I was like, oh, it's fine. Because guess what I brought? I brought this, and I would eat this, and I enjoyed it. I did.
You tried to make it stretch for the full movie.
I would eat it nibble by nibble, and thankfully it is very filling. So yeah, let me open this almond brownie butter bar. Okay, I will say this one is also not as wet.
It's not as wet
as the other one, even though this one does have MCT oil. This is the texture like this.
This one does not have the MCT oil.
Oh, then that's probably why it's not as.
Yeah, this one does not.
It's very chocolatey.
It looks like a chocolate, like a piece of chocolate.
Yeah, no, it looks like
like
fudge,
like fudge or chocolate or.
Now I don't know if this is gonna taste like a brownie, because that's a hard sell. Like a brownie. You know what the difference in this is? There's nuts in it.
Is there?
Mm-hmm. Look.
Yeah, you can see them. Okay.
Don't have him do a taste test for you. He's like, is there nuts?
I can't see. It's in my little piece.
Let me see if you can see. See the
nuts?
Okay, you know what this tastes like? If you are a fan of dark chocolate, this is for you. It's deep, it's rich, it's not too sweet.
Yeah.
It has a lot of cocoa. It's really like This is a sophisticated bar. Like,
for a sophisticated palate.
Yeah, it is. Like,
but yeah, it does taste like dark chocolate.
So many people like, Hershey. I like Hershey's. So many people, that's like their wheelhouse. But especially now that dark chocolate has become such a thing. Now we realize that it is healthier for us, not certain ones, Lily's and things like that. A lot of people have been kind of indulging in dark chocolate, and it's been their thing. And for you people who are lovers of dark chocolate, this bar is for you. This is yours.
Yeah.
So, breakfast cinnamony, love, love, love. Which one of these is your favorite
would
one?
you say? My favorite is the first one we had, which
the
is
cinnamon one.
The
cinnamon roll.
Because it tastes the most like what it says it is to me. Like, it tastes just like a cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
So cinnamon roll is his favorite. It is also one of the favorites, like, overall of everyone. That's hard. I like them all. I'll be honest. I kind of like them all. I could see myself going toward the cinnamon roll in the beginning, but I think the cinnamon roll is my favorite. I agree. My cinnamon roll is my favorite.
It just has the most, like, flavor, and it tastes like you're cheating.
It does taste like
that's
you're cheating.
What
I love things that
like
taste
about
like
it.
you're cheating.
Yeah.
But you know what? This one, if I really wanted a chocolate fix, I would go to this. But I do like I like them all.
Well, yeah. In order for me, it's cinnamon roll, then it's the chocolate one, and then it's the cookie dough.
Yeah. That would be mine
But they're
too.
all pretty good. Like, they're great to go on, like, snacks on the go. And if you want something that tastes good, I think this is great.
A great way to not have to buy too many and also taste them is this variety pack. This is new. They just started this, and I don't know. I think I don't know. I think it's an amazing thing. Thank you, Perfect Keto, for listening to us and actually doing these variety packs. Other things. They have lemon poppy seed. They also have a birthday cake one that I am dying to try. It's new. I think it came out last year.
Bar?
Birthday cake bar.
Okay.
And they just came out with peanut butter cookies, and they have collagen and MCT oil. I'm gonna be getting so many things to show you guys, but I just wanted to do this only because the bars are their, like, bread and butter. Everyone loves Perfect Keto bars, and you have to buy them online. So yeah, I don't know, guys. Perfect Keto bars. If you are interested in trying them, there is a link down below, and you can get a discount. The discount code is @BoosCruize. I literally just walked in the door. We're gonna get some, like, dinner because I'm hungry, and we're probably gonna finish these bars.
Well, they're open, so we have to.
I know. Isn't that convenient?
All right, you guys.
All right, we love you guys. If you want to talk to us more, make sure you follow us @BoosCruize. That's @BoosCruize, because you're worth it. We love you.
Bye, you guys. Till next time.
Bye, Boos.
Are we going to go out with the BoosCruize review? No, I think they've got enough BoosCruize reviews.
Do you want to do it again?
No.
Think you do. Ready?
No, I don't.
1, 2, 3, go. BoosCruize, BoosCruize, BoosCruize reviews.
See, I added harmonies
It's
the
so
second
good. We're getting better.
We're getting it together.